Do I need an attorney for a misdemeanor charge? While it is not legally mandatory to have legal representation when facing a misdemeanor charge in Oklahoma, engaging the services of an experienced attorney is highly advisable. Navigating the legal system can be daunting and complex, particularly for those without specialized legal knowledge. A skilled lawyer can provide invaluable guidance through this intricate process, effectively advocating on your behalf. They can negotiate with prosecutors to potentially reduce the charges or lessen the penalties, and strategically argue your case to influence a more favorable outcome. With their expertise, attorneys understand how to leverage the nuances of the law to best represent your interests, significantly impacting the resolution of your case and aiming to protect your future from the long-term consequences of a criminal record. Call Ball Morse Lowe today to set up a consultation.